Hello everyone, in this video introducing our innovative office workstation interior designer. We believe that a well-organized and aesthetically pleasing workspace can boost your creativity and efficiency. Our team specializes in creating customized office solutions tailored to your unique needs and preferences. Whether you are an individual looking to revamp your home office or a business aiming to enhance your team's collaboration and morale, we've got you covered. Our office workstation interior designers are designed to maximizing your space and minimizing distractions. With ergonomic furniture and smart layouts, you can feel comfortable and focused, leading to increased productivity and satisfaction. Imagine stepping into a workspace that reflects your style and enhances your workflow. Transform your office experience today. To know more details, contact us today to get free consultation or visit our website link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.